If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their ass. Your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I'm a little bit Jurassic, someone find me classic in my way. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do you'll have a fool. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
You really think so?
Of course. If I didn't, I might as well jack it all in and donate my legs to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, Feathers, you gotta look on the sunny side of the lily pad.